Hello there, my name is McHorse, and welcome to Emoticons 0.6 changelog video. In this video, I'll show you new content added to Emoticons mod. First and probably foremost important for most of you, are new emotes. There are 6 new emotes. Stickbug, M-Stuff. Slow clap, hell yeah. Paranoid and scared. My personal favorite is M-Stuff, as I can easily integrate it into my intro. If you aren't happy that there are only 6 emotes in this update, and you can animate in Blender, then you can now not only animate your own emotes, but you can also replace or add different walk, sprint, swimming, and etc. animation cycles. Please see the video tutorial in the top right corner for more information on how to animate and import animation data and emotes. It should be more or less beginner friendly. A lot of people like the 3D extruded models that come with Blockbuster mod, and now you can also use similar 3D extruded layered models in Emoticons as well. Although, these morphs aren't truly 3D but rather fake 3D. What it means is that it discards some pixels in the skin to make bits. Here is the model's UV map. As you can see, most of the corner pixels are not going to show up. Sadly, this is a performance compromise. And finally, there are 2 neat features added to Emoticons morph. First of all, now you can select skin by pressing Shift+P, instead of going through all these menus. And finally, there is another highly requested feature called placeholder morph option. What this option does is allow to pick a morph which will be used for first person hand, and when the morph doesn't emote and disable non-emote option is enabled. This allows combining emotes with vanilla model animation through Blockbuster model morphs. Here is a demonstration of placeholder morph option. That's pretty much it. I hope to see some neat emote and animations from you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.